Hello.
Hi, we're back.
We are back.
And today we are going to make,
Looks like we're having a convention today. You guys
okay.
need some
you need
help?
some help?
We're okay. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, what are we making? We're making a convention.
We're making, apparently, something a door is needed for.
That's right.
That's what we're making.
All right.
And we are making coconut, oh, my apron's all messed up too. You guys didn't tell me. We're making coconut almond fudge fat bomb.
Sounds delicious.
It is delish.
So apparently it has coconut and fudge in it,
It's
right?
rolled in coconut.
Let's see.
It's a fudgy inside, and it's.
Really good.
I'm not gonna lie, because you know I'm not a liar. I doubled the nuts on the inside for my recipe today, because I like a crunchy fat bomb. Other people like it creamy. Do what you do, but
So I have a question.
yeah.
Okay, so is it important to do keto with IF?
IF stands for
Intermittent
intermittent fasting.
Yeah. Is it important?
It is crucial
Why?
because it is the eating that spikes the insulin.
Mm-hmm.
Did I get it right?
Mm-hmm. And
And
in relationship to what we're doing.
snacking.
Right.
Snacking will increase the insulin and stop your fat burning.
And make you fat.
Make you fat.
You remember John? This guy, John,
John?
he made fat bombs, right? He
Oh, our
do
friend
intermittent
John.
fasting.
Johnny, if you're watching this, yeah.
He basically ate like 1,000 of these in a day.
He said,
And
I'm
on keto.
He
I'm not
said-
losing any weight.
no, he gained weight.
Yeah.
He gained weight, and he made the fat bomb recipe, but he said, I love them, but I made cookies. I said, what do you mean you made cookies? Because this was a recipe, we put them in a little mold like this. And he just poured them on a pan, and they were like this big. And he said, yeah, I'm having 4 or 5 of them a night. I gained 4 pounds.
You guys need to do intermittent
There was more than
fasting
one problem in that
with
keto. Story.
So this is meant to do like one
You ate the whole
per
thing.
day. One per day. So what's the secret of just doing one a day?
One a day?
Versus like a lot of them.
Only one?
Mm-hmm.
But what if you eat 2 meals a day?
Then you just have one. See, here's the problem. It's so easy to eat a ton of these that you just want to do one. Now, and then test the waters, because some people can do 2, some people can do more. But the point is that
That is like creamy fudging.
you could actually very easily overdo these. Too much.
Yeah,
fat.
you could overdo it.
So what's the secret to doing just one?
Hiding them?
Having very small recipe. And so you just make one, keep in the fridge.
You have trick questions. I don't know the answers.
I'll keep prompting until you get the right one, Karen.
Okay.
All right.
Well,
Let's just show them how to make it because your mouth is filled. Mm-hmm. All right, check it out.